Entertainment tonight, a serving of soul stew at the College Street Bar. Here's Glenn with the live eye. Glenn.
As you can see, Laura, the place is packed tonight. Soul Stew are some of the city's most accomplished musicians who get together here at the College Street Bar every Sunday for the love of soul.
My brother, yes, sir. Sit me right down and he talked to me. Yeah, and he told me that I ought to not let you walk away. But I'm sure you meant well, yeah.
Also tonight, Winnipeg composer and performance artist Diana Macintosh brought her unique show to the Music Gallery.
Curious, very curious.
Johnny, get your gun, get your gun, get your gun. Johnny, get your gun right off. Johnny, get your gun.
The fourth annual Easter Seals Benefit was a jazzy affair tonight at the Pilot Tavern, thanks to the Roy Patterson Quartet. Back live at the College Street Bar. Is this a Sunday ritual for you?
Well, no, I've heard about this, but I decided to try it today.
And you guys aren't disappointed, are you?
No, not at all. Great. Excellent.
Soul Stew every Sunday. Some of the city's really most accomplished top musicians doing the soul thing. Marvin Gaye, Smokey Robinson, every Sunday night here. Laura, it's back to you.
Sounds like a great time. Thanks a lot. And stay tuned. More City Pulse tonight coming up right after this.
Hi, I'm Greg Mansigan. Sports tonight. They look like Blue Jays anyway.
Working on technique. Don't worry about your arm.